back. Come here, bud. Welcome back, folks. Looking at the latest acquisition here. 2004 Toyota 4Runner Sport Edition 4-wheel drive V8. It's got 4.7 liter I-Force V8. And she's just sacked out. Well, we beat the shit out of these. We're trying to get those off because we don't want those. But yeah, pretty roached out on the inside. Got the old bandana holding the damn sun visor on there. I can't remember if battery's in it or not. No, battery's not in it. She got 300,100 miles on it. Pretty much everything on the inside works. Like, these buttons still work. Transmission's good. I don't know about that because it doesn't have fucking brakes. AC doesn't work, but all the fan shit works. This is kind of burnt out. Radio works, but the volume knob's a little weird. Dash is kind of screwed. She really just needs a good cleaning. Maybe, take the damn carpet out of it. Ooh, seafoam. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, shit. Cool little container. Yep, so inside's okay. Let's see. Ooh, lockers. Oh, center lock. Pop hood here. 4.7 liter I-Force V8 engine. Just power washed it. Had all kinds of mold all over it, but it actually cleaned up pretty good. The rats were having just a buffet of that damn sound shit that goes on the hood, so we peeled that off. It actually has a brand new air filter in it, which is pretty sweet. Yep, looks pretty good. We were gonna buck a freaking K&N cold air sicky tricky dope filter on it, but the damn mass airflow sensor is built into the air box, so I guess that thing's gonna stay. Let's see. Actually, let's freaking. But yeah, so we did the revival yesterday. Didn't get anything on film just because it wasn't really eventful. Hooked it up to the old sassy Duramax over there. Bucked it up on that trailer. Basically just threw a battery in it. Thing was parked for about 3.5 years. Put the battery in it. Fired right up. Even on the old gas, it had really no gas in it. Put a couple gallons in it, some seafoam. Yeah. But had to put some water in it. But main problems with it is, so as you can see, no belt on it. But all these spin freely, even the AC pump, except for that damn alternator way down in there. She seized up, gonna need replaced. Get up underneath it from the side, replace that, put the belt on it. All the brake lines are rotted, so we're gonna snip them off from up here, because some of them, like these up here, were replaced with, I'm assuming, the master cylinder. We'll just snip it off somewhere down here, run some good brake lines, should be good to go. Yeah, let's hook this battery back in here real quick. Yeah, we hooked the battery up to it, fired right up. I mean, we expect Toyota. Hope she's dinging away in there. They only run it for a little bit at a time because, well, it has no brakes and the water pump's not working, no power steering or any of that shit. But listen, 300,100. Listen to this mill. Fires right up every time. It's all kinds of pissed off in the dashboard though, but you don't have to worry about that. Goes right into gear instantly. Reverse drive, all that shit, all this stuff works. Go ahead and shut her off here. Key, all that good shit. I kind of want to see if the back window rolls down, but I'm afraid it won't go back up, so we're just gonna leave that as is. All kinds of mouse shit everywhere. God, look at that sassy carpet. Let me get my foot in there. Dirty old foot. Yeah, brake lines, maybe set tires. Maybe put some, spray paint on these wheels because they're pretty roached out. Put some 33s on it. Alternator, brake lines, maybe some brake rotors, maybe some pads or something like that. But look at that sassy fucking brake caliper there, just fast. So there's a little bit of body damage right here. All the damn clips broke off, but probably just glue that freaking fender piece right back on. I think it's where the hell is it? Oh, it's right there. Look at this, damn tailgate even works. Oh, don't make me a fucking liar, you piece of shit. Hold on, damn it. It was working a minute ago. All right, unlock. Spam the shit out of the unlock button. Oh, look at that. It just opens right up. All kinds of mouse shit. Yep, there's that fender piece. Even's got the damn privacy shade. Sweet. Headliner's kind of hurting too, but well, that can be easily fixed by ripping it out. I always wondered what these are for in a 4Runner. Kind of cool, actually. A little dirty. But look at this. Even a freaking roached out, sacked out freaking latch. I bet you it closes. Yep, that's awesome. All right, we'll get a look at the undercarriage here. This spare actually looks pretty good. Yeah, I mean, she's pretty ripe. Frame looks good. Frame looks good in the rear. In the front, it's okay. But a lot of the other components, they're kind of hurting. But the good thing is, the valve cover gaskets really don't leak. I mean, when I say they really don't leak, they don't leak a lot for, 300,000 mile mill. So, story behind this, my minty as fuck in-laws owned this thing from brand new, drove it till about 2019, needed a bunch of work, basically kind of unfit for daily duty anymore. So they parked it, sat for 3 years till yesterday. Today's fucking September 19th. So she's parked for about 3.5 years. Like I said, we hooked it up to the trailer. It actually backed itself on trailer. No brakes or any of that shit. And yeah, pulled it on down here and started power washing it. Kind of making a list, checking it twice on what is not broken instead of what needs fixed, because there's kind of a laundry list of things that needs done to her. But yeah, this thing's gonna be fun, man. I'm really, really excited to see how she turns out. Alrighty, fans. Well, hope you enjoyed that little tutorial or intro to the 4Runner project. Really looking forward to it. Me and my buddy Andrew, we're gonna fix up the brake lines, we're gonna do the alternator, we're gonna durability test it, make sure everything's all good to go, and yeah, and then we'll bring her around step A and maybe even get her fit for the road, plate it, and do all that good shit. By the way, Kiss Stinger is just running great. We got 17,600 miles on it now, and she got a dirty old chip in her now too, so she's making all kinds of ponies. Yeah, but we'll talk about that later. You gonna stop there, bud? Jesus, come on there, man. Fucking stunned. Anyway, yeah, keep your eyes peeled for some videos coming up. I would like to upload some more stuff here and there. I mean, I got a full-time job and I got a full-time fucking family, so I like putting videos out for all you peoples out there on the YouTube, but family comes first, job comes first, because no job, no check. And then I can't have sassy ass cars like this. So anyway, y'all enjoy yourselves. Talk to you next time. Later.